So guys, didn't you always want to know what's inside a football? It must not just be air, if that makes sense. Well, I don't know. So today I thought, give it a go. But if we could break 10 likes, I will cut open a rugby ball. 10 likes. Just 10. Not million, not 10 million. Just 10. Yeah. So without further ado, I can never say it, get right into it. Well, this is embarrassing. You might want to skip like halfway. Double tap right or left. You see why. If you didn't know already, just skips 10 seconds. Oh, there we go, we're in. Hopefully the scissors can actually cut. Okay, so it's not just air. Ouch. What if I can just rip it open? Or I can cut it. We're doing this. Well, I'm doing this, not you, but you know what I mean. Whoa. I'm going to show it. I saw a tiny bit of it. As you can see, there's like this. I don't know, it's weird. Carbon fibre? No, it's not carbon fibre. I forgot what it is, but I know what it is, if that makes sense. It doesn't at all, but that's the Incredible Hulk kit. Okay, that went wrong. These scissors are really bad, but then I just go good again. Tell you what, if we get as well, let's say about 15 likes, I will do a FIFA video playing one game of FIFA